Who doesn't know them? Golden and crispy on the outside, and fluffy and soft on the inside. There are many preferences for eating French fries around the world. It is popular to eat fries only salted, with ketchup, less often with mayonnaise or vinegar, which is preferred by the British. There are dozens of recipes on how to prepare and eat this potato delicacy. On July 13th, as every year, we celebrate a holiday celebrated around the world, French Fries Day. For this reason, in today's episode we will take a look at what path the potatoes harvested from the field have to take to get to the McDonald's restaurant. First, you need to choose the right potatoes. They are characterized by appropriate dry matter content, light cream color, soft easy to peel skin, and elongated regular shape. These parameters are controlled in the laboratory. On the line, soil and stones are separated from the potatoes, removed with a water cyclone descaler. Now it's time for pre-washing. The cleaned potatoes go into a brine bath of the right density, an important test, because tubers having too little dry matter will float to the top. Peeling the potatoes is done in a steam peeler. Steam is released into it at a pressure of 21 bars for 5 to 11 seconds, which causes the skin to peel away from the potato. Capacity is impressive, up to 35 tons per hour. The peeled potatoes pass through an abrasion device called a brush machine, which removes the remaining peel. They now face another washing and visual inspection by an employee removing potatoes that do not meet quality requirements. In order to make it easier to cut the potatoes into sticks, they are softened with modern technology using pulsed current. These softened tubers are now sorted by length into 4 groups, and they go to the cutting knife section. The water unleashes the potato and directs it to the head, which is built so that the shape of the fries can be achieved. Further short fries, those less than 3 centimeters in length, are eliminated on a device consisting of a set of suitable sieves. This process ensures the right length of fries for the restaurant. Optical sorting machines equipped with a system of modern cameras eliminate fries that have spots. Discarded fries are not wasted, they are used to make potato flakes or green energy. And importantly, if the spot is on the end of the fries, it is not rejected, but shortened and ejected for re-verification. The cut and selected fries are blanched, meaning they are heated in warm water. This process helps build up the structure of the fries, making them full and fluffy. During drying, excess surface water is evaporated. This is done in a special tunnel. The fries are fried in an oven at temperatures above 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, they are then crispy, golden, and the recooking time is shorter. The fried fries, after removing excess oil from the surface of the product, are cooled to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, they are transferred to a tunnel where they are further cooled to 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit and then frozen. The whole operation has to be carried out very quickly to prevent crystallizing water from damaging the product. The lab inspects about 40 parameters of the fries, including 15 sensory ones. Quality inspectors examine, among other things, the taste, structure, color, smell, and crispness. In the control room, on the other hand, all parameters of the manufacturing process are controlled. The frozen fries are resorted by length. They hit the devices that weigh out the appropriate portions. And then they are packaged. The closed and labeled package is inspected using a metal detector. Parcels that are too light are rejected. Those that pass the final check are packed into cartons and subjected to special vibrations so that the fries fill the carton thoroughly and will not break. In this form, they will be delivered to the restaurant. And this is how the fries served at McDonald's restaurant are made. If you like the process of making French fries, you must definitely see how Pepsi is made. Click now to watch that episode.